Check out this self-converted coach into home on wheels. It's on a Volvo bus from 2001. When you enter, you have an original cockpit with a manual gearbox, 4 seats. Floor is made flat. It used to be aisle here. And here you have a couch that extends into the bed. Bar, which is very nice, like from a pirate ship. TV. This part is not finished yet, it's still in construction. Here you have a kitchen hood, smeg stove, fridge, air conditioner for hot summer days. Here is the second door, but it's actually made flat as well, that you can walk. Bathroom with a black tank toilet and shower. Office. Master bedroom with queen size bed, lots of storage underneath. Dog cave. Wardrobe still in building process. And on both sides this has a stairs to get into the bed. Outside you have a lot of storage, each compartment. This one has a storage. Here is the second door. And in the back you have an engine.